show ya. You should really call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done it.
I've been waiting all night.
Hey guys, oh my goodness, I haven't worn a wig in like almost a week at this point, guys. I haven't worn a proper wig, so excuse me to feel myself a little bit, okay? But hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another vlog. All right, this should be the start of a new vlog most definitely, but let's start this vlog by unboxing a couple of things. I recently got some things on Amazon, and you guys, every time I shop on Amazon, to be honest, I'm only shopping for gadgets or like gadgets kind of things, or things for gadgets, you get. So I ordered a few things on Amazon, and I had my brother bring them back for me. You guys know my brother is around, okay? So he brought back all these things for me, and let's get right into unboxing every single one of them. Everything, about 95% of the things I'll be showing you are from Amazon, but one special thing is not from Amazon, and I'm gonna show you. That's the first thing I'm gonna show you, okay? Ta-da! I know, guys, I'm changing my phone. Yes, I got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I know, that's why I said I didn't get this on Amazon, obviously from the Apple website. My brother ordered this for me, and I currently use a 12 Pro Max, and I just figured I was due for a change. I never ever used the 13 Pro Max, so the 14 Pro Max was like the right thing, the right change from the 12 Pro Max. And obviously it's way cheaper to get this in the US, and then my brother being in the military, he got a military discount and all that, so it was a lot cheaper than the normal price you would buy it here in Nigeria. So yeah guys, I got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm so excited. In fact, you know what, let's just do an unboxing real quick. Thingy here. Yeah, ooh, I got the purple color, by the way, right? The deep purple color. Oh god, it's so gorgeous. Oh my god, oh my goodness, guys, it's so pretty. The only difference I can really see from my 12 Pro Max now is that the camera is a lot bigger than the 12 Pro Max, but other than that, I can't really see much of a difference. I love doing this. Yes, ooh, that's so sleek. Look at that. And then I got my cord in here, the usual thing. What is here? Apple stickers, the usual thing that you see with your phones. I'm gonna set this phone up most likely tonight. Hobby will help me do that and transfer all my Kaya from my old phone into this phone. And I think the iPhone 14 Pro Max uses an eSIM, not a physical SIM, so I have to go to the MTN office tomorrow morning and get an eSIM done. But yeah, that's basically it. The second most exciting thing, yes, I finally jumped on the bandwagon. I got the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic, right? This is like every YouTuber's dream at this point, but it's a really expensive microphone, if I might add. This is $300, guys. $300 for this, but I've seen people who have done videos using this microphone. I've seen reviews. Your favorite YouTubers use this microphone. You guys know, if you know, you know. And the quality, the sound quality is just amazing. And I noticed that anytime I'm filming a video with somebody, I'm doing a collaboration, or I have somebody on my channel with me, or doing a sit down video with me, I find a way to share that one lapel mic with the person. So I needed a wireless mic, definitely. So I got the Wireless Go 2, so it has two mics, so that I can plug to myself and plug to somebody else if I'm doing a video that has to do with somebody else. All right, so yeah, I don't think I would like to unbox this on camera, because I mean, it's just Wireless Go 2 mic. You guys have seen this probably a lot on YouTube already. I got a couple of phone cases. Obviously, you buy a new phone, you buy phone cases. So I got 3 phone cases. You guys know I love phone cases a lot, but I just got like 3 basic. I feel like those are like my 3 beginner phone cases. So I got this really cute purple lilac one. All right, this is the pack. Comes with stickers as well. I think that's really cute. So yeah, I got this. It's so nice. Its quality is really good. It's a silicone case, and it looks really good. Then I got this one, which is a plain one, but I just didn't buy a plain one, a plain transparent one. I got one that has glitters. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it does have glitters on it. right? Little specks of glitters, just so it's not so plain, right? So I got that. The phone is a purple phone, and I wouldn't really want to hide the color all the time, so that's why I got a transparent case. The next thing I got, the third case, is this one. I really loved this marble thing. I really loved it. I love the colors as well. It came in this case. Yeah, so you guys don't worry, I'll leave all the links to most of these things in my description box in case you want to buy them. I don't have Amazon affiliate anything, so I'm not making any money if you buy any of these things with the links I'm posting. So yeah, okay, my brother got me screen protector for my phone, and I got extra lapel mic clips. You guys know these clips for lapel mics. I got that, so it came in this pack. It's a pack of 6, so it came with 6 clips because I have one mic that the clip is broken, and then it comes with this microphone, what do you call this, phones, the noise, what do they call these things. And then I got a phone mount for my car. I needed this because the one that been managing my car has been giving me headache, and they finally packed up today, so it's a good thing that I ordered this. And this one, you can plug it on your dashboard, which is also good because I don't like that whole glass windscreen thing, so it's a good thing I can put this on my dashboard or on my AC vents, so that's a good thing, right? So I got that. I got a new what's this called now, earbuds. The one I'm currently using, I've been using for more than 2 years at this point, and it's this same brand. It's called Tozo, T-O-Z-O. I got them on Amazon 2 years ago, and they have served me, and they are still serving me. I've never had issues with that Tozo thing. I've never had issues with it. So that was like, you're buying a new phone, buying new earbuds. I didn't want to buy you, but he was like, it's not expensive, and they're actually a very affordable brand, like $39, $40, you know. So that one has lasted me 2 years plus. It's still working perfectly fine, but in the spirit of buying a new phone, I just got an upgraded version of the one I'm using. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me see if you guys can see. I don't want to start unboxing everything on camera, but you guys can see what it looks like. I'm not one of those people who are obsessed with Apple products, or not like Apple products, but I'm not one of those who is obsessed with like AirPods, Apple AirPods. This has been doing the work for me just fine. So yeah. Ooh, I got this watch on Amazon when my mom was in America last year for Omugwo, but it didn't arrive at my brother's house until she had already left. So coming back to Nigeria, he just threw it into the bag. It's a Lacoste watch, and you guys know that I'm in love with my pink, right? I've been looking forward to this watch for the longest time. It's so nice. Like, it's a rubber watch. And then what else? Okay, I have my original, see, if you know, you know, original Apple charger head, because when you buy a phone, you spend so much money buying a phone on Apple, and it only comes with cord. Like, I don't understand. So I told my brother, please get me original Apple charger head separately, because I don't know how much it's going to cost here in Nigeria, and that's if you find the original one. Then I have 2 bags. I sent my sister-in-law, my beautiful lovely Latoya, I sent her 2 links, 2 bags I saw on Amazon. One is Aldo and one is another brand I don't even know. So this is the Aldo bag, and it came bigger than I actually expected. I did not expect it to be this big, to be honest, but yeah, it's an Aldo bag. It's the Aldo let me see, Greenwald bag. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's so pretty, guys. I've already taken it out of the packaging that it came in right here, but I'm obsessed. Like, and it's big enough. I love it so much. And then I have another bag. This one is a nameless brand. I don't really care, but it's almost like a dupe for one of these Gucci bags, because I've seen this Gucci design before, but it's like a dupe. If you cannot afford to buy Gucci bag, you buy the dupe. I don't have a black mini bag like this. The only black bag I have is a big bag, so I needed like a black mini bag, and I saw this one and it had amazing reviews, so she got this for me as well. Thank you, my darling sister. I love you. And yeah, guys, I think that's all I wanted to show you guys in this unboxing. I've spoken for what, 11 minutes at this point. It's crazy. I'll leave all the links to this stuff if you want them. I'll put that in my description box so you can check it out, and let's get on with the rest of this vlog. Looking at Latoya. Hi. How many of us are going at a time? All of us. All of us. All right.
All of us.
Like a dream now. Something. I mean,
You don't wanna go slow for sure. We both already know your place is my place. No, my place is your place. Let's face.
We got a body like it's your birthday. We party like it's your birthday.
Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home.
I didn't go and shine home. I didn't go and shine home.
Place is your place, let's face.
Hey, baby. Oh, hey. Look at you. Oh, that's a Priscilla's back, huh? 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 With his bald spots. Hi. Hi, my baby. How are you? You're enjoying the African way of backing, huh? The Nigerian way of backing, because once you get back to America, your mother will not back you.
their own is harness.
And you like it, right? Is it fun? Meanwhile, this one is working her ass off. Holiday, but working.
Never stops.
Never stops.
Okay.
Meanwhile, she dressed up to work. We'll see you guys. She had her bath. Wore something nice. See, all to work.
You help your brain.
Yeah,
like
right.
showered, I'm focused.
Yeah, you're in full work mode. Really?
Yes.
What? Shoes set.
I have to.
Yeah,
If I stay in
that can never
pajamas,
be me. You see me in work mode at home, eh? I'm worse than this.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Oh no.
So I just landed here and I've been blessed with breakfast, fries, bacon, sausages. There's ketchup here, right? So we're gonna eat. When they told me on the phone that this is what they were eating, I said, lie, I'm coming. Priscilla, don't leave the kitchen. Really though? Right.
It's okay.
Can't.
I mean, it happened in Jamaica.
And I had a rough night because there was no light. Oh, they brought it this morning.
That's why I left you.
I don't care, I judge you. Papa. Hey, Papa. Oh. I'm gonna play now, let me see. Oh, you're so cute. Be happy. Such a happy. Such a happy. Baby, how far now?
I'm good.
Baby, more. Baby, second baby. How far now? Guys, we're about to dig into all of this, okay? That's what happens when you're friends with this madam right here. It's only food you'll be eating in Abuja.
Only food.
Well, we are digging in, guys. We are at Silk Road Restaurant. And we're about to dig in. You guys, I'm full. I'm stuffed. Ah, but the food was so good. Oh, Jesus. But I'm stuffed. Woo! Cannot move.
I'm in Nigeria bonding with my mom. No, go bond with your
I'll join you bonding with those guys.
Oh, okay. Do you come? She's here to buy me power. Do you come now?
Hey, baby.
He sees his toys.
Hey, sweetie. You want your toy? There you go. Hey, my lovely. Hey, my sweetie. My sweet sweets. My sugar, sugar, sugar. My darling, darling, darling. My chunky, chunky, chunky. Oh, you want the camera? Oh.